Hi everybody, it's Shanna. Hey, I wanted to sneak another Father's Day card in this week, just in case you're making those last minute Father's Day cards. So this one, fairly simple, but a quick technique. This one is using 3 different stamp sets, well, kind of 3 different sets. It is using the Rooted in Nature stamp set. You kind of it's woodsy, but manly, not flowery sort of thing. But I really love this stump, and I found this perfect in the wood texture, which I just had out. Of course, you love it how when you're working you throw stuff on your desk. So this is from the wood texture stamp DSP. And I had not even really thought about this sheet, and I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do, and this set was just perfect because this stamp set looks like a piece of wood, just like that. So this was perfect. I guess this is the back side to that, and you could even use that part. So that is what I chose, and then I'm going to use the new embossing mats to show you how to get this beautiful little leaf here. So this is we're going to use the stamp set and the leaves from the Rooted in Nature, along with the die. So there's the die to cut it out, and then the die to emboss it. So we're going to use that. And then for the banner, you have to use from Bunches and Banners. I'm using the banner, this banner that comes in that, and then also the stamp set that goes with that banner. So that's for the banner, but I wanted a different Father's Day. So from Thoughtful Banners, which carried over this year to the new catalog, I'm using Happy, and then Father's Day is on here. So I've put it together so that it will fit inside and say Happy Father's Day. So that is our plan. So we're going to start with our stamping. So I've already cut out the banner, so we're going to just stamp our stump. We're doing it on craft cardstock, crumb cake, excuse me, which is our craft color. So there is no die for this stump, so you have to fussy cut it out. So just take your scissors and cut that out. I've already done one. Magic television, right? So done that. I just love that color on there. And then I've already cut out our banner, so I'm gonna make sure. Sorry for my head for a minute. There we go. Just set those aside so I don't put my hands back in them. And that is all our stamping. Okay. So I'm going to set those over because I want to show you how this Big Shot works with the embossing, okay? So, try to get this in here so you can see it. Alright, so first I'm going to take and I'm going to cut out. So I have my bottom plate, my thin die adapter, and my cutting plate, my paper, and my die. Cut out my leaf. Now, I'm going to take out my thin die adapter and remove it. Put down my die. Now, remove my cutting thing. I'm going to go ahead and leave my cut paper in my, I'm going to leave it here, okay? And I'm going to leave it in my paper. I'm going to put my die on top of it that I want it embossed, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and put a piece of washi because I don't want it moving around on me. Well, see, it moved around. Let me turn it over. So I found it easier to put 2 pieces of washi. I'm sorry, but because I just felt like it was moving. So I put washi on both sides because you want this facing upward, okay? You want the side that's going to be embossed. So this side that's being embossed, you want facing upward. Now, I want a deep impression. Your embossing mats come with hard, a thick, the gray mat is thick, and then a thin blue one. Now, if you want a real light emboss, you can put the gray one. So let's see what the light one looks like. If I just use the gray, see, I can't even feel pressure on that. There was no pressure. I didn't even feel that. But see, can you see how light that is? Can you see that? So I got some impression. So this is made with the heavy duty one, okay? This one I just did with the blue one. So it's up to you on which one you want to do, okay? So this is the blue one, this is the gray one. So I'm going to leave that. I'm not going to redo it because it works. Now, I had, okay, yeah, I'm saying I have 2 of them already made. So, I'm going to just set my stuff aside here. We'll make our card because now it's like super quick. So, I got my gray crumb cake. Fold in half, 5.5 by 8.5, folded at 4 1/4. And then I got a pair of Sierra Sand. This is 4 by 5 1/4. This is 3 by 3 7/5. Now, I got this gold metallic thread, and I learned at a thing I went to last weekend with the Hearts of Oz people. One of the gals there, she took 2 fingers, wrap a couple times, then 3 fingers, wrap a couple times, then 4 fingers, wrap, and then I went ahead and added my thumb because I wanted it even wider. And then my scissors. And then I kind of put it all together. And then take your dimensional and put your dimensional there. Okay. And then wherever you want that, I kind of put it towards the top. And then you can frill, like use that to frill up your thing. I'm going to take my dimensional off the back. I don't want that edge sticking out, so I'm going to put that back there like that. And then just kind of, like, I want those loops sticking out. Like, I want these loops all sticking, you know, willy-nilly, so. then I want some more dimensionals back here. Also, I want my glue dots. On my leaves. So decide how you want your gold thread, and then I want my glue dot, my leaf there. Get my other leaf here. And I think I'm going to stick the other one here. And then I'm going to use dimensionals for my Father's Day. And I think I'm just going to stick that like that. So there you go. There's 2 editions of my Father's Day card. So another way to use your Rooted in Nature stamp set and get some more use out of that greetings and banner set. So if you have any questions or would like more information, please don't hesitate contacting me, and check out what's going on. I appreciate it. Any likes or subscribes? Thank you so much. Bye.